Hello all, this is Ma'am Shomi and this is your channel Study English with Momita and Shomi. I'm back and this time I'm back with video number 2 on proposal writing. How to write a proposal for all ISC students. Kindly check the description box for all PDF links and also check the playlist. Before starting, just a reminder, dear students, kindly subscribe to our channel Study English with Momita and Shomi. Also tap the bell icon so that you may get all notifications in the near future. Do like, share and comment. Please students, this is our earnest request and watch the entire video. I am sure you will learn a lot. You will start understanding proposal writing a little better. So why waste time? Let's begin. Now let me see. I hope some of you have already watched our first video. If not, no worries, I'm there to help you. In my first video on proposal writing, I had explained the concept of proposal writing, discussed the format along with some examples. Here again, we will solve one proposal. Let's put theory into practice. Come on students, let's do it together. Read along with me as I am solving this particular proposal question. But before that, a little bit of revision is required. Look at the screen. I have shared for you the verified official ISC format for proposal writing. In the very beginning, you will have to write the title. Proposal for setting up a science club is the title and you will have to write that in block letters. After that, leave a line, start writing the heading or introduction. A maximum of 2 sentences will fetch you 2 marks. Again, leave a line and start writing the objectives. Now, what are objectives? Well, if your proposal is implemented, there will be some desired outcomes, and these desired outcomes will have to be mentioned clearly under objectives. A minimum of 2 points will give you 2 marks. Again, leave another line and start writing the list of measures. A minimum of 4 sentences for 4 marks. You may use bullets, you may also write in a paragraph, but my suggestion is use bullets. This will make your presentation a lot better. And if you write grammatically correct sentence, simple and lucid sentences, you will get full marks here also. End your proposal with a conclusive ending. Your linguistic ability, that is how you express yourself, will bring for you 2 marks and the total marks is 10. Write a proposal to the school management to put security cameras at various points in school and listing the objectives of doing so. This is our question: installation of CCTV cameras in the school premises. Now, I have started writing the title of my proposal. The title must be clear, specific and directly related to the theme, the main topic of the proposal. After writing the proposal in block letters, underline it very neatly with the help of a ruler. This is our title. Leave a line and come to the next line. Start writing the heading. I have used just 1 sentence in order to write an introduction to my proposal. To prevent the increasing incidence of mishap. Oops, I have made a mistake. The spelling is INCIDENCE. Dear students, you do not make such mistakes. Okay, be very neat. Do not scribble or pen through. Avoid doing that. So learn from my mistake. I'm sure you will do better. To prevent the increasing incidence of mishap within school premises and proper management of the school, I propose a solution. Leave another line and see what am I doing. What am I doing, dear students? What is this? Can you guess? Yes, you have guessed it correctly. I am writing the objectives, the desired outcomes, and just read the desired outcome. See how I have framed my objectives. I have used just 2 sentences to pack in as much as information as I can. Installation of CCTV cameras will bring a relief to parents as well as allow the school authority to keep a check on who is going and coming. This is my first desired objective. First desired outcome. The next desired outcome is read along. This will also act as an anti-theft agent. Number 2 desired outcome. Number 3, prevent bullying. And last but not the least, number 4, help during an emergency. See, I have just used 2 sentences to pack in so much of information. You also do the same. Plan everything beforehand. Okay, spend a few minutes before you start writing your proposal. After that, leave a line, write list of measures, underline it with the help of a ruler. I use bullets in order to make my presentation a lot better. You also follow the same. Proposal writing is a kind of persuasive writing. That means you will have to convince the other people as to why they will select you, why they will accept your proposal, and why they will implement your proposal. So linguistic ability is of utmost importance. Your language must be firm, yet it must be polite. And spelling mistake is a big no-no. Remember, don't make any spelling mistake. Be very careful. I have used bullets and I have written just 4 points, and 4 points will be enough for me to get 4 marks if I follow all the rules properly. Come on, let's read. Entry and exit points, classes, corridors will be under surveillance. All cameras will be connected to a centralized monitoring control room headed by the school coordinator. Recorded clips can be viewed. Abnormal activities will be identified and indicated by the system. See, I will finish very soon. One thing I would like to mention, you may leave one line after every point, after every bullet. I did not leave a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, my list of measures. After that, leave a line and end the proposal with a proper conclusion, a proper conclusive ending. I will write just a sentence to conclude the proposal. See, proposal writing is so easy, so interesting if you know all the rules, if you know the format. And presentation, my dear, presentation is equally important. It will impress the people who will read your proposal. My conclusion, I hope my proposal will be given due consideration and the project will be implemented. So here we will end our proposal like this. In some schools, your teacher may tell you to write your name as well as the designation. Well, this rule is not a fixed rule, it is flexible. If your teacher instructs you to do so, go ahead and write the name and the designation. Otherwise, no need to write that. Okay, so pretty easy. Great! We have successfully solved this proposal by following all the rules and the format of proposal writing. Even after this, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me and I will surely reply. I plan to post such solving videos from time to time in the near future as well. What will be my next video? Will it be something related to phrasal verbs? Fill in the blanks with appropriate words, or will it be based on report writing? Let's see. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and join us. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Study English with Momita and Show Me.